Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Sharpay Evans outfit, the one where she sings, "This feeling's like no other. I want you to know I never had someone." Sorry, I'm trying to find the reference that I just opened and I don't remember where I put it. Oh, there we go. Get this jacket from the cowboy set. You do need this, unfortunately, and color it glitter in like this color, I guess. It's like a darker gray, so let's do that. And then I am going to, I think, make the sleeves puffier. I'm not sure yet how that's going to look. I think I'm going to make the sleeves a little bit puffier just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. I don't know. For the fit, I'm just going to wear this, I think, in like a pink color. Like, it's kind of like this, if like we're being completely honest. She does have like some silvers to it, like some decor. I guess you can like add some stuff if you'd like to. Maybe like this. And add like some silver to it. I don't know. It's up to you. Let me just copy and paste this because I don't know like what color I used. And then for the skirt, I'm just going to keep it simple with this skirt here. In like, let me say this pink. Hold on, let me actually find what pink she's using there. It's a little bit purplish pink, magenta-esque, and it is glittery as well. She does wear a lot of like glitter to this. You can like layer on more skirts if you'd like to. Let me just copy and paste this, or you can save that, I guess. Let me see if no. Okay. And then what about this one? She does have like a little bit of a darker purple here, so I am going to use this in like glitter to add that. Maybe make it lighter and make it mesh a little bit more so it's not too different. And then the rest I'm just going to do exactly the same color here in glitter. And then for the shoes, I'm just going to wear these ones. This one, I think they're free, if I'm not mistaken. I think they are. In silver and in glitter. Can I not use glitter? Okay, I can't, but it's like silver, so it's fine. We don't need glitter. Let's try to add that. Okay, still won't work, but she does use shoes similar to that, so that's fine. I think I might make the top glittery. I don't know. I think that's too much. Never mind. Maybe like silk. Actually, I'll do that. And then I might change it to the shorter version. Oh, actually that doesn't cover that. So let's go back to this one in that same pink. Okay. I really don't like this area, but I can't really fix it, I guess. So let's just leave that there. And then I'm just going to grab a microphone. And I'm just going to color that like pink and glitter. This is not pink enough. I don't know why. Okay, I think that is pink enough then. Yeah. Might add silk to that, kind of. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.